The cool thing about James Hardie is that all of their paints are actually factory baked on. They come with a 15-year paint warranty, a 30-year material warranty backed up, that Bordner backs up with a 30-year workmanship warranty. There's, yeah. James Hardie doesn't just come in a lap siding, while that is predominantly what most homeowners go with. They also come in different panel sizes, or panel styles. You've got your stucco panels, you've got a board and batten system, you can even get a wood shake shingle look on your home in a fiber cement. Awesome thing about fiber cement, bugs don't like it, woodpeckers don't like it. I've never seen a woodpecker beating its head against a driveway, as well as it doesn't rot over time. You don't have to power wash it, right? Stuff doesn't grow on this like it does vinyl. Oftentimes, at major hailstorms, you'll see vinyl siding get damaged by the hail, and that can be anything as small as like a golf ball sized hailstone from a relatively small storm on some old siding. That is because it's very thin, small grade vinyl. We look at this as this is the last siding you ever put on your home. If you decide to paint it down the road, awesome. James Hardie accepts paint like almost no other siding does. When you look at wood siding, you have to go through, caulk all the nail holes again, get everything set up to paint, and then paint it. With vinyl, if you've ever tried painting vinyl siding, you know that that's not going to last. That paint is going to peel off. If you're going to go with something that you still have the flexibility on changing the color down the road, you use something like fiber cement that's going to keep a solid paint color that you put on it, as well as be able to change paint down the road. Again, all those warranties are transferable to the next homeowner and non-prorated.